Hey, what's going on everybody? Marissa Romero here, back at it with another video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about effective marketing for what you're watching right now, and that is video, because I strongly believe that video marketing is the second most powerful thing to meeting somebody in person. It is extremely important in your business, no matter what kind of business you have. So I'm going to talk about how you can increase sales, how you can increase your traffic, your brand, your performance with these simple tricks with video marketing. So stay tuned for this video coming right up. Alright, welcome back to the video, you guys. This is a cool video because my bun is extra high and it doesn't even fit in the screen. But yeah, it's kind of funny. I can't even see the bun in the screen. But anyways, guys, my name is Marissa Romero, and if it is your first time to this channel, what you can expect on this channel is me teaching you guys how to build an online business from scratch, no matter what level you're at. There's something on this channel for everybody. I talk about things you need to know for your online business. It could be in the subject of affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing, all kinds of stuff, really. And today we're talking about one of my favorite subjects in the whole wide world, and that is video marketing. So let me just say that if any of that relates to you or resonates with you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I upload videos very consistently and I take my content very seriously and try to deliver the best value as possible for you guys. So if you guys are thinking about marketing with video, creating a channel, posting more Facebook Lives to build your brand, go ahead and type in the comments video. Because I want to know, like, I love teaching on video because it's something that a year ago I was complete trash at. Like, I was so embarrassed to say like 2 sentences without like having to pause, and the worst part was like I couldn't even hear myself when I recorded and played back the video. I couldn't even stand to hear myself talk on the screen. I was just like, ew, ew, go away. So it was really bad. My video skills have improved quite a bit. I've been able to make more money simply from video marketing, okay? And obviously the number one way I do that is on what you're watching right now, and that is YouTube, okay? So in my opinion, yes, YouTube and Facebook are two of the most powerful ways to do video marketing. Yes, YouTube is of course number one in my opinion, but I wanted to give you guys some tips on really the formula that works, whether you're doing a YouTube video, a Facebook Live, whether you're doing a video for your thank you page in a funnel, whether you're doing a video for any part of your funnel, this formula works, okay? So the first thing you need to do when you're doing video marketing to sell anything effectively, that is to open, okay? And I wrote this down right here, open. And what you include in the opener is something similar to what I just did. You say, hey, my name is so-and-so, say who you are, say why you're credible, maybe your background, your title. So, hi, my name is Marissa Romero. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur and also digital nomad. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer since early 2018, blah, blah, blah. And I talk about my history. I talk about my channel, my credibility, and even if maybe you're just getting started, you don't have results, that is completely okay. Just say like you're the brand owner, the CEO, the whatever of this type of brand, okay? And so the next thing you want to do is you want to relate to your audience, okay? And one good way to do that is to tell your story. So number 2 I have as relate. Okay, so maybe it's something like if you have maybe an e-commerce course that you're selling, it would look something like this. Like after you say your introduction, it would be like, once 2 years ago I was, dead broke. I was living in the basement of my boyfriend's dad's friend's house, and I had, $2 in my checking account, and da-da-da-da-da. And I was struggling for months and months and months until finally I came across X, Y, and Z product, and I started to finally make my first sales online with e-commerce and this and that. So you have to, relating means telling your story. Okay, so for example, my story is before I was a civil engineer, and my career wasn't exactly what I expected it would be in college, right? And I didn't see myself, you know, writing emails every morning in a cube for 9 hours a day for the rest of my life till I was 62. So I quit, started e-commerce, was really successful, then my income took a huge dip. I plummeted. I made no money for a long time. My savings account, the numbers were in the red, this, and that. So that is relating. So people will be like, okay, yeah, that's a similar experience to what I'm going through. Like, yeah, I'm a single mom. I have 3 kids, and wow, yeah, this girl or this guy went through the same thing, and if they could do it, I could do it. So that's the importance of relating yourself and your story to people. And of course, the third thing is the meat of your video, and that is to inform people, inform your audience of what it is you're teaching or showing. And this is the point where you triple and double down on the value that you are giving. So what that looks like, it could be any topic. Like, let's say you have a YouTube channel in the nutrition and fitness niche. This is where you're going to deliver the value, and you're not going to hold back. You're going to give them the top 10 workouts from home and the top 10, you know, home recipes for vegans or whatever it is. And you're going to say how to do it, why to do it, the results you've gotten, you know, step by step. Because once people trust you and you deliver an insane amount of value, they're gonna want to buy from you no matter what you're selling, because they like what you have delivered. They like the value that you have given already. So that is the power with giving value, and that is the only way to build your brand, no matter what platform. But if, you know, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you have to give value, and video marketing is the most powerful way. The most powerful way to give value, hands down. I don't care what anybody says. I would have made no money if I wouldn't have utilized the power of video marketing in this past year. Okay, the last step that you want to do is you want to close. Okay, this is extremely important, because you can't just give value and stop, because, you know, it doesn't make that much sense, because you worked hard to deliver the value. So in the end, you want to tell your visitors, your followers, your subscribers what to do next. Click on the link, you know, subscribe to the channel, blah, 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 blah. Apply for my free 30-minute coaching call, you know, something like that, something simple like that. And so the last part, like I said, is close. Okay, so you have to close and give a call to action, because if you don't, your sales won't be as high as they should be, because if you don't give a call to action, people are not going to do anything. So that's why it's important. So for example, a good call to action would be, let's say, if going back to the nutrition video on YouTube, the good call to action could be, hey, download my PDF that explains X, Y, and Z, or, you know, subscribe or click on the link below to watch my free webinar on how I lost 30 pounds in 30 days, something like that. So that is an important call to action. So I know this video was kind of short, you guys. If you guys are interested in being a YouTuber, creating a YouTube channel, really skyrocketing your business with the power of video marketing, I do have a paid course called Affiliate Freedom Academy. What I teach is how to build a YouTube channel and monetize it like crazy. So that means with affiliate marketing, your own products, and that type of thing. So yeah, if you guys are interested, go ahead and I'll leave the link to that course in the description. And the reason I'm telling this to you guys right now is because next month I plan to double the price. And if you guys were interested in buying it right now, it would include everything that I update in the future and access to my private Facebook group, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, guys, I hope that these tips help you out. The formula that you could use for videos, for funnels, for YouTube, all that great stuff. So give this video a thumbs up if you receive value from it. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care and have a great day wherever you are. Marissa Romero, I'm out.